My dear jungle dwellers, today I've organized this World Cup of Laughter because for the past few months, everyone in the forest has become so serious that even the fox has forgotten how to laugh. Imagine that, the fox not laughing. That's like a donkey singing in perfect tune, impossible. I myself practice laughing. One day I stood in front of a mirror, showing my teeth and laughing, when I noticed yesterday's bamboo leaf stuck in my mustache. My wife looked at me and said, "Have you planted a zoo garden in your mustache?" And listen, even as a king, I've had embarrassing moments. Last time while hunting, I tripped over a tree root and fell so hard that a deer next to me said, "Your Majesty, what a grand entry, but why such a slow motion landing?" But today I'll tell everyone only one thing, laugh. Because if you don't, your facial muscles will retire. And when you finally want to laugh, even your teeth will say, "Sorry, duty over." Dash dash dash. I am the clever fox, but sometimes my cleverness turns into pure comedy. One day I tried to steal Tiger Brother's food by pretending to be crazy. I said, "Oh Tiger Brother, if you eat this duck, you'll start writing poetry." The tiger laughed and said, "Okay, you try first." The moment I took a bite, it was so hot that half the hair on my tongue burned off. Another time I went to the market to buy a chicken. The shopkeeper said, "Pay first." I said, "I am a fox, I left the money under my tail." The shopkeeper laughed and said, "Do you keep money under your tail or play the flute with it?" My laughter is so strong that once I laughed by the riverbank, the fish thought it was an earthquake and started jumping out of the water. I'm the best hunter in the jungle, but even I mess up sometimes. Once I slipped on a banana peel and rolled so badly that for a second, all my stripes straightened out. Everyone said I looked like a brand new designer outfit. Another time, while hunting at night, I mistook a tree branch for a deer's horn and pounced, bang, I fell straight to the ground. The deer stood at a distance clapping its hooves. My wife says, "You're not a tiger, you're the host of a comedy show." But I'm proud, because my laugh can give even an elephant hiccups. Dash dash dash. Friends, I'm Parrot, today I'll make you laugh through songs. But don't expect the tune to be perfect, because I sing only for laughter. One day I made a song for Donkey Brother. "Oh donkey, you're the almond of my heart, forever stuck between my teeth." Hearing this, Fox Brother laughed so hard he fell from the tree. Once my singing even made the crows dance. They danced so wildly that their eggs rolled out of the nest. Later the crows came and said, "Parrot Brother, sing if you want, but not over our eggs." Dash dash dash. Friends, I'm Parrot, today I'll make you laugh through songs. But don't expect the tune to be perfect, because I sing only for laughter. One day I made a song for Donkey Brother. "Oh donkey, you're the almond of my heart, forever stuck between my teeth." Hearing this, Fox Brother laughed so hard he fell from the tree. Once my singing even made the crows dance. They danced so wildly that their eggs rolled out of the nest. Later the crows came and said, "Parrot Brother, sing if you want, but not over our eggs." Dash dash dash. I'm the king of laughter, monkey. Once I went to the city and stole bananas from a shop. The shopkeeper chased me, but I climbed onto the roof. From there I threw bananas down shouting, "Here, bonus offer." Another time I sat on Lion King's throne pretending to be king and announced, "From now on, all donkeys will wear helmets." Everyone got shocked and put coconut shells on the donkeys' heads. My laughter is so loud that once the entire bamboo forest shook, and the bamboos thought it was an earthquake. Dash dash dash. I am the king of the night, owl, but once I mistakenly came out during the day. The sunlight blinded me, and I crashed into a tree. Then Donkey said, "See, even the owl causes comedy when he works the day shift. My laugh is slow but deep. Once I laughed so hard that Fox got so scared he didn't look at himself in the mirror for 3 days. He said, "Wait, if I remember that laugh again. Today at this World Cup of laughter, I'll just say, if there's laughter, even the night turns into morning."